Welcome to Resize PNG. In this video, I am going to tell you how to reduce the KBs of your image. First of all, you have to visit resizepng.com and after that write in search box here reduce image size and search it. And you will see here the reduce image size in KB without changing pixels. It is a tool and it will reduce the KBs of your image. And I'm going to choose a file. Here is the file, image file AS, and you can see the size and its pixels. The size is 222.7 KB and pixel 289 by 404 pixels. So that I am going to reduce the KBs of this image, and I'm going to close down and choose file. You can also do it with multiple files. So AS I think AS file. I'm going to AS file, yes, and choosing the file AS file and the image has been selected. I'm going to write to change the 36 kbs to, and going to click the reduce kbs. So here is also choose format and I'm going to click the reduce kb now, and you can see the image kbs has been reduced 36.75 kb and going to download. And now we are going to check the image how the pixels it has. You can see the same pixel 289 by 404 pixels. So the only KBs have been reduced. So that's the beauty of this tool. Thank you.